Hi girls and boys, it's Mrs Myers here with your maths learning today. I really hope you enjoyed your number treasure hunt in your rice trays yesterday because it is really fun having a look and seeing what buried treasure you can find. I hope you found lots of different numbers and were able to tell your adult which was more and which was fewer. And I hope you also found two numbers that were equal as well. So today we are going to warm up by showing you a piece of Numicon, and you have to show me how many that is on your fingers, okay? And then we're going to move on to which is more, which is fewer, and which is equal. Are we ready? Really quick flash. I'm going to hold it near the camera so you can see it up there. Well done. 1. Let's have a look at a different one. Super. 4. Next one's coming up. 2. You ready? 5. Well done. Let's have a look at our next one. 3. Super work. Let's go back to one that we've had in case you didn't get this one first time. 4. Well done. 1. Getting quicker. 3. Well done. This one might take you a few minutes. I'm going to have to put this one down because I need to do this. 6. Super job, everybody. Let's have a look at the next one. What's this one? Well done. You need 2 hands. It is 10. Let's have a look at another one again. What's this one? 5. This one. It is a tricky one. It might take you a minute or two. It is 9. Well done. Let's have a look at this one. Just take a minute or two to have a look and recognise it. It is 7. Super job, everybody. Well done. And let's have a look at this one again. Just check. It is 8. Right. I am going to show you 2 pieces of Numicon. You are going to tell me which is more, which is fewer. Okay, we have got 5 and 1. Girls and boys, can you point to which one is fewer? Well done, it is our number 1. Which one is more? Yes, well done, it is number 5. Super work. 4 and 2. Which one is more? Well done, it is our number 4. Which means our number 2 is fewer. Can you say more, fewer? Ready? Fewer, more. Let's do a trickier one. What's this one? 8 and 5. Let's have a look. Which one is more? Well done, number 8. Which one is fewer? Super, it is our number 5. Are you ready again? Now I'm going to try and trick you. We have got this one and this one. Just take a minute to have a look and see when you add the 5 and 3 together, what does it make? Because I have made a Numicon. We have got 8 because 5 and 3 together is 8, and I've got an 8 here, which means they are equal. Say equal, equal. Well done, girls and boys. You ready now? 10, 9. Which one is more? Well done, it is our number 10. Which one is fewer? Our number 9. Can you say fewer, more, more, fewer? Well done. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to have my 6 and my 7. Which one is more? Well done, 7. Which one is fewer? Super, it is 6. Can you say fewer, more, fewer, more? Well done, girls and boys. I am going to ask you some questions now. I'm going to show you 2 pieces of Numicon, and you are going to tell me how many more or how many fewer one piece is to another. So we'll start off slowly. So we're going to have a 4 and we're going to have 2. So we know that 4 is more than 2. How many more is 4 than 2. So have a look here. How many more would you need to add to your 2 to make 4? You would need 1, 2. So 4 is 2 more than 2. Well done. And 2 is 2 less than 4, isn't it? Well done. Let's have a look. We have got my 8 now and my 5. I'm going to put my 5 over the top. Who can tell me how many more is 8 than 5? So have a little look. How many more is 8 than my 5? Have a little look at the shape because this might help you mind it. Oops. It is 3 more than 5. So that means the 5 is 3 less than 8. Well done. And we knew from earlier, when we add the 5 and the 3 together, it makes 8 altogether, doesn't it? So this is where our number bonds come into play. Let's have a look at our 10 and our 6. So when I put my 6 over the top of my 10, you can see how many more 10 is than 6. Can you have a little look now and tell your grown-up? How many more is 10 than 6? Have a look and count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall we check? It is, because when I put my 4 there, that covers it. So we know that 10 is 4 more than 6. So 6 is 4 less than 10. And we know that if we put 6 and 4 together, 6 add 4 makes 10. So that's our missing piece. Have a look at this one. We have got 9 and 3. I'm going to put my 3 over my 9 now. How many more is 9 than 3? Have a look at how many dots I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 is 6 more than 3. And if I get my 6, I can check. Well done, because 6 and 3 make 9. So 3 is 6 less than 9. Well done, girls and boys. Let's have a look at an easier one. I have got my 5 and my 3. I'm going to put my 3 over my 5. How many more is 5 than 3? Well done, it is 2 more, which means that 3 is 2 less than 5. If I put my 2 here, I know that 3 and 2 make 5. I'm going to do one more. Let's have a look at this one. I have got an 8 and a 1. If I put my 1 over the top, how many more is 8 than 1? Just take a minute. This might help you if you recognise this one. Have a look again. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. 8 is 7 more than 1. And we know if we put the 7 there, 7 and 1 make 8. So 1 is 7 less than 8. Well done. What I'm going to do now is I am going to show you 2 pieces of Numicon and you are going to tell me the answer. So if I have 4 and 1, what is my total? 4 and 1. Have a look. Let me check. If you said 5, well done, girls and boys. Let's do another one. This time I am going to do 2 and 3. Do you know what 2 and 3 make together? Shall we put a Numicon over the top and check? In it comes again. 2 and 3 makes 5. Well done, everybody. This time I'm going to do 8 and 1. I'm going to put them together. Oops, they're going to fly around now. 8 and 1. Have a look, see if you can work out what it is. You might know this if you know what 1 more than 8 is. Here's my Numicon coming up. It is 8 and 1 is 9. Well done. It's a tricky one. 10 add 0. What will that one be? You are right. It is 10. Well done, girls and boys. Let's have a look at this one. We have 6 add 2. Let's put them together. Can you tell your grown-up the total? I'm going to put my Numicon over the top to check. It is 8. Well done. 6 add 2 equals 8. Well done, girls and boys. Right. Now, your activity today is to choose some numbers between 0 and 10. If you already know what is more or fewer, then you could choose some trickier numbers beyond 10. You could go up to 20 or even further. So what you have to do is tell me a number that is, oh, you know what, I've got those the wrong way around, girls and boys. I do apologise, I've held it this way. A number that is more and a number that is fewer. So who can tell me a number that is more than 8? Can you tell your grown-up now any number that you think is more than 8? I am going to choose a 10. And I can check this because if I get my 10 and I get my 8 and put them over the top of each other, I know that 10 is 2 more than 8. So that would go there. Who can tell me a number that is fewer than 8? Look at my 8. What is fewer than 8? Can you tell your grown-ups? I'm going to choose a 5 this time. I'm going to put it over there. It's definitely fewer than 8. It is 3 fewer. So 5 is fewer than 8 and 10 is more than 8. Let me have a look at my 4 now. Girls and boys, can you tell your grown-ups a number that is fewer than 4? When you have done this, come back. I'm going to go for a 2 because I know that 2 is 2 fewer than 4. Let me see if there's a number that is more than 4. Can you tell your grown-ups now a number that is more than 4? When you have done that, come and have a look. I'm going to choose my 7. I'm going to check it's more than 4 because there should be some more above my 4 and I've put it on. Well done. I can see that my 7 is 3 more than 4, so I'm going to go for my 7 right there. And then next, I have got my 5 and it has escaped onto the floor. Whoops. I'm going to put my 5 here. Girls and boys, can you tell your grown-up a number that is fewer than 5? Let's have a look what we've got over here. I'm going to go for a 1. If I can just get you to see it. You see my 1 at the top? It is 4 fewer than 5. So I'm going to go for a number 1. Try and go for a different number each time. I would like a number that is more than 5 now. Can you tell your grown-up a number that is more than 5? I'm going to go for a 6. Let me just check. I'm going to put it over my 6. How many more is my 6 than my 5? It is, you are right, it is 1 more. So I can put 6 there because it is definitely more than 5. Okay, and we will just do my last one. So I have got a 7. Can you tell your grown-ups a number that is more than 7? A number that is more than 7. I'm going to see if my 8 is more than 7. I'm going to put my 7 over my 8 just to check. Wow, how many more is my 8 than my 7? It is 1 more, so it's definitely more. So I'm going to put my 8 here. But now I would like a number that is fewer than 7. Can you tell your grown-ups a number that is fewer than 7? I'm going to try a 3. If I put my 3 here, I'm going to hold it with that finger. How many fewer is 3 than 7? It is 4 fewer, so it's definitely fewer than 7. So I'm going to put my 3 there. Right, girls and boys, what I would like you to see you do today, and mums and dads can post it on Tapestry, choose a number, and then you have to tell mums and dads a number that is more and a number that is fewer than your chosen number. You can write this down or you can do it as a video and just show me, can't you, with cubes or using your Numicon or by just telling us. Okay, have a lovely day and thank you for joining us again today. See you tomorrow. Bye.